Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and welcome to the AngeldreamcraftsKim annual YouTube hop. Can you believe it's that time again? I just love doing these hops, so they are so much fun. And this year, I collaborated with Kim, and all the designers were given my patisserie kit to use in their design. So I'm excited to see how everybody uses it. I think it's so cute. And of course, I will have a link below to my Etsy where you can get my digital kits. And I will also link this one specifically for you if you love it as much as I do. So I paired my kit with Kim's beautiful things, and this is what I came up with. So basically, this is kind of like an ephemera flip. So I made all of these things, and I put them together, and I put them on a little loop that I had in my stash, and that way when I need something I can just easily remove it. Everything is attached to this with a bulb pin, so it's easily removed. And then I used her fabulous pink polka dot tool. I love this stuff so much. So I made some pretty fluffies to go on the hoop, and then I used this to make so many bows. So many bows. I'm excited. I'm excited to show you. So the first thing that I put on the top was one of my doily flowers that I created with this beautiful center from Kim's shop. I love these. And so then I added this really beautiful little piece that was gifted to me in a swap I was in, and I love it, and I just thought it went so well with this creation, so I put that on there. And then here's all the little bits that are tied together with some more of this beautiful tulle, and then this fabulous cabochon, this cake cabochon from Kim's shop. It went so well with the patisserie kit that I created, and then I just glossy accented it into one of these beautiful cabochon frames that Kim has in the shop. I love them. I think they're so much fun. So I actually pinned that to the bow tie closure. So let me take that off and give you, oops, get in there, a better look at that. Isn't it fabulous? It's so stinking cute. So then I just tied all of these goodies together with more of this because I can't get enough of this. It's my favorite thing right now, y'all. I love it. So a lot of these, what I did is I took the little cards that I made from the patisserie kit. Aren't they fabulous? And I kind of just layered them up to make some like tags. This one is actually a pocket. But I took my digital, I sewed around the edges, and I I sewed it down to several layers of tissue paper, some fabric, some cheesecloth, because who doesn't love that? So it's just full of yummy, shabby layers. I cut up some of Kim's pink bridal trim and added bits of it here and there. This pink velvet I got from Kim, and then this beautiful piece of bling is from Kim's shop. I did make this one into a pocket, and inside is another cute image from the digital kit and some more of this pink polka dot tulle on top. Let me see if I can get it right in there. There's so many layers, it's almost a challenge to see which layer. I think I found it. Yay! All right, so on the other side of that pocket is another image from the kit. Isn't it cute? And then I made a bow with the tulle, and I put one of her beautiful bling pieces in there with a snippet of one of her laces and this beautiful applique that was gifted to me. So stinking cute. And like I said, everything is on with a bulb pin, so it can easily be removed. So on this bulb pin is this little envelope from the kit, and I of course stickled it. So cute. And on the back I added some of the embellishments from the kit. And then I made a Velcro closure. And here are the little cards that go with the little envelope, and I stenciled on the back because I love to. Look at this croissant. It's so stinking cute. And then a beautiful, yummy cup of coffee, because yes, please. So those are the little cards that go with this little envelope from the kit. So cute. And then this beautiful piece. Oh my gosh, this I got in my last package from Kim. It is gorgeous, and I cut off just a piece of it to put in here, and it just flips right over. But it's just on a little bulb pen, so I can take it off and use it whenever I want to. Just another layer of pretty. Excuse me. And so here is another one of the cards from my kit, layered again with this fabric. I love this fabric, and some tissue paper and some beautiful pink cheesecloth. And then I added the Eiffel Tower, which is one of the embellishments from the kit. So in all of the kits I've made so far, you get one full page of just cute little embellishments. And so that one is the one in this, one of the ones in this one. And then at the bottom, I have added her, Kim's beautiful crystal dangles and one of my favorite dangle laces right there. And so on this one, I've got another bow with the pink polka dot tulle, one of her beautiful heart blings, one of my favorite things, a heart macaroon from my kit on top of a doily with some really pretty ribbon roses from Kim's shop. It's just so cute and so me. So up here, I just added one of these adorable croissants to a piece of fabric. Adorable. And then here is one of the postcards from the kit. And then I just added the pink pleated tulle trim with the pink crystal dangle, and I added a little embellishment, and I stickled everything. So cute. And now on this one is the adorable croissant. It's just so cute. With some more of the pink bridal trim from Kim's shop, some Chinese braid from Kim's shop, one of the bows from my kit, more of the beautiful dangle. I think I used all of my little crystal dangle on this, but everything I had left is now on this because it's so cute. I couldn't help myself. I had a great time putting this together. And so on this side is more snippets of her tulle, polka dot tulle trim, more tissue paper, some applique, some of this beautiful fabric, and then this gorgeous sequined fabric from Kim's shop. Love that so much. I just use little tiny bits of it here and there. I love it. And then one of the cupcakes from my kit. This beautiful piece was gifted to me in a swap, and I love it. I just stuck it right there. On this tag, I actually covered it with that gorgeous sequin trim, another bow, a piece of bling from Kim's shop, some more of the bridal trim, one of these adorable hearts from Kim's shop. It's got a little bow. It's so cute. More of the crystal dangle. This is one of her laces in the background, and then one of the little cups of coffee from my kit. So cute. So cute. And on this side is the macaron card with another bow from my kit and some more of that bridal trim from Kim's shop. Sweet. And now on this one, this is actually a little like seed packet envelope that's in my kit. I stickled up the Eiffel Tower and added some tulle trim and some rhinestone cup chain to the bottom. On this side, I added the macaroons from my kit, and then I also made a Velcro closure. And let's see if I can get these out. And these are the two cards in this kit. I love this little pearl trim, and I stenciled on the back. It's so cute. So these are just ready to go. And I just added little fabric tabs to the top of those. cute. Here's another one of the postcards. And then I added the little rolling pin from my kit. This gorgeous little trim over some tulle trim and the more crystals. One of Kim's little teacup charms. So cute. And here is the other side of the postcard. Another bow, a little clay flower, a little applique or snippet actually from a lace, and then this really pretty dainty lace along the bottom I think is so stinking cute. And so here is a cake card. Isn't it cute? I love it. I love the little pearl bow detail at the top, and I just sewed around and layered it up with another snippet from one of Kim's laces. This little pennant comes from the kit with the little mitt. Little oven mitt is so cute, and a cake stand, and then a cupcake that I stickled all up. And then cupcake in French right there on more of that beautiful velvet ribbon. This little tatted piece was gifted to me, and I have this patisserie label in my kit, so I put it inside there. It's so cute. And so the tatted piece and these little tags came together in a swap, and I loved them, so I added them to this because I think it's so cute. And then here is a little cupcake card with another snippet of lace and more yummy layers. Another bow, because this stuff makes the best bows. More of the crystal, the pink tulle, pleated tulle trim, and another edging trim right there. And then on the back was kind of like a collage of a bunch of the bits I had left. So I layered, of course, everything up, the tulle trim and the cheesecloth and the fabric, and then I added a ribbon rose and then the Bon Appetit sign from my kit with a croissant and a heart macaron, a cup of coffee, and a fleur-de-lis on top of more of that sequined, love that sequin, and then this cute little ribbon. So I had such fun making this, and I just think it's stinking adorable. So, of course, as with every year, there are giveaways. On my channel, I am going to give away this patisserie digital kit. So be sure you leave a comment under my video, but you're also going to, Kim gives away a gift certificate to the store, to her shop, where you can buy these pretties. So make sure that you hop along, follow all the links below this video to hop along, and leave a comment on everybody's video. I believe there's 7 or 8 of us all together. So just leave a comment, because you have to leave a comment on everybody's video to be able to win any of the prizes. And you also need to be subbed to our channels, and you need to be 18 years of age or older. So I hope you enjoy hopping along. I can't wait to read your comments, and please let me know what you think of my digital kit and how I put this little ephemera flip together. And enjoy the rest of the hop, and I'll see you later. Bye.